Muthenya umwe thutha wa kuhorohia murugamo wa thirikari iguru ria gukorwo na ndereti ya commission ya ithurano na mung'ethaniro, President Uhuru wa Kenyatta ni atongoretie Ngwataniro ya Jubilee hari gutacukia ikinya ria kwambiriria mutaratara wa miario iyo.
We are ready to engage on matters of IEBC through the mechanism of a joint select committee of parliament. And in this regard, we have proposed the following members to that select committee.
Ameba Ndundu ino ni hamwe na maseneta Kiraitu Murungi arita mutongoria, Kipchumba Murkomen, Beatrice Elachi na Fatima Dulo. Kuma bunge ya bururi, ameba ni Sisli Mbarire, Naomi Shaban, Moses Kuria, Jimmy Ngwenyi, Benjamin Washeli, Mohamed Mahamud na Soipan Tuya.
We have resolved that the above term limit given to this committee is driven from our firm position not to interfere with the date of the next general election as provided for in the Constitution.
I think it will only be fair to allow the Parliamentary Select Committee on IEBC to be formally approved by Parliament, both the National Assembly and the Senate.
That the greatest challenge, the greatest handicap we have in this process we are undertaking is the position of the hardliners amongst us. And I've identified them. You have also identified them. They are making things very difficult.
Ndundu ino ina kahinda ga thiku 30 guikara thi na ndundu ya code icoke rehe mendekithia moria mutaratara wa kumba weru commission ya ithurano gutabanio. Mendekithia macio Jubilee irenda matwarwo bunge macoke mariririo toria watho tariirie. Hau niho code ina thina naho. Code irenda matua maria mekuma cikaro-ini icio mafuatwo orio. Niguo kuiguithaniria andu aria megukorwo ndundu-ini cieri, mawatho na mitaratara iri kuthirwo miario ya mbiriria, kamiti ya andu ana eri kuma Jubilee na eri kuma code ni thondeketwo.
Kutoka kwa upande wetu wa code tutawakilishwa na Seneta James Orengo na Dr. Simiyu Eseli.
Mwena wa Jubilee utongoretio ni Seneta wa Meru Kiraitu Murungi na ndundu ino ina kahinda ka mathaa 24 kuruta wira ucio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.